Good job, good relay, boys.
Now up for the Yankees, number 8, Ben.
All right, Ben, let's go. Bring her around, buddy. Bring her around.
One out. Get ready, Charlie.
Right.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I was not going
Double! Oh, 2. Come on, that's your own. Get ready. Good pitch. Good pitch. Double! Shooter! The ball's in on this side, bud. You gotta cover second, all right? Get ready. Double! Good drop, man. Good drop. Way to drop the bat. Just like that. Just like that. Good job.
But the team is entirely different.
Let's go! Let's go! Sit there! Stay there! Let's go! Get back to that. Good back up.
Now up for the Yankees, number 1, Jason.
Pay attention. Move in. Move in. Watch your butt.
Right.
Hey, watch your butt. Go, go, go! Let's go! Get in! Get in! Hey, it's all right. It's all right. Deep breath. Hey, deep breath. Hey, let him go to you.
Come on, Jay. Through that ball, hit the ball.
Shooter, stay there. Good. Back him up.
Double.
Come on. All right, straighten it out. Straighten it out, Jay. Straighten it out.
Oh, 2.
Just like last time.
Shooter, back him up when the throws come.
What's up, man?
Get in the mound. Get in the mound. Get in the mound. Get away.
1, 2.
Good throws.
What up, T? 2-2. All right, that's what I'm talking about. No losses yet. Remember, no losses. We have a party at the end of the year. The Nationals by a couple. Shot 3.
Shooter.
Now up for the Yankees, number 2, Julian.
All right, find that ball, Jules.
Get up closer to the base,
Plays
Jules.
that one. Plays that one. Right there.
Right.
Hey, hey, hey.
No.
Hey, move that out.
No fishing, no golfing. Come on. Come on, Jules.
Infield. Infield, man. Right there. Scooter.
Oh my God.
Right.
Yeah, baby. Good job,
Jules, get closer to the plate next time you get back up.
Oh, 2.
Hold on. Wait till your first baseman gets back there, right?
Come on, Jules.
Closer,
You got it,
Jules,
baby. Let's
closer.
go.
Come on, get ready.
All right, 3.
Right through, guys. Come on, sit down, guys. Sit down.
Shut him down. Let's go, Kumar.
Hey! Oh! Yes! Yes! Way to go, guys! Way to go! Way to go! Way to go! Way to go! Big! Nice tag! Way to go!
2-1.
Go! Get him! Get him! Ha! Let's go! Let's go! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! There you go! There you go! Time out, Timmy. Ben. Big target, Renzo, you become the first baseman. Dylan, come in. Renzo, scoot over.